ఏపీ రాజధాని అమరావతికి తామేం వ్యతిరేకం కాదన్నారు వైసీపీ ఎంపీ మిథున్ రెడ్డి. రాజధాని రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ పరిధిలోని అంశమని చెప్పుకొచ్చారు. అమరావతి పేరుతో ప్రజాధనాన్ని విచ్చలవిడిగా దోపిడీ చేస్తున్నారని ఆయన ఆరోపించారు. జీతాలు సంక్షేమానికి డబ్బులు లేవని చెబుతున్న చంద్రబాబు అమరావతి అభివృద్ధికి ఎక్కడి నుంచి తెస్తారని ప్రశ్నించారు. అమరావతి బిల్లుపై లోక్సభలో ఈరోజు చర్చ జరిగింది. ఈ సందర్భంగా వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ తరపున చర్చలో ఎంపీ మిథున్ రెడ్డి పాల్గొన్నారు. ఏపీలో జరుగుతున్న అన్యాయాల నుంచి డైవర్ట్ చేయడానికే అమరావతి డ్రామా అని ఆరోపించారు మిథున్ రెడ్డి.
Very happy if the members who spoke earlier to me spoke about special category status which was promised on this very floor of the house. I would also have been happy they spoke about the funds for Polavaram project. Now in the recent budget they said the Polavaram project is being restricted to 41.15, which translates to 30,000 crore loss. I would have been happy had they spoken about Polavaram project. Already the central government has filed a affidavit in 2020 saying it's prerogative of the state that selection of the capital will be. Sir, but whatever, sir, we have our concerns. I would like to raise our concerns in this bill, sir. We want them incorporated in this bill. The first thing is, sir, Amaravati is being built on the lands of farmers. Sir, 34,000 acres has been given by farmers for land pooling. They have not taken 1 rupee. They have not taken any benefit and they gave it, sir. They were promised completely developed plots, sir. In 2015, they were promised developed plots that they'll be given in 2 years. And they were also promised that free education for their children. They were also promised housing schemes so that they can rebuild their houses and various other promises, sir. But what happened, sir, in those 5 years, 5,000 crores only was spent on Amaravati, sir. From 2014 to 2019, it is on record, sir. And not 1 rupee was given. And not one plot has been shown, sir. The present government is in power for the past 7 years. They were in power for 7 years, sir. Not one plot was given, sir. Not one plot. It is really pathetic. And the farmers are protesting right now, sir. Recently in a government meeting, one farmer by name Rama Rao, sir, he expressed his deep anguish, sir. He said, my life is ruined. I believe the government, I gave my lands. What is my situation right now? My children are getting affected. My families are getting affected. And he lost his life in that meeting, sir. It is fact. It is there in the news also we can see. Sir, I will tell you, sir, not one plot also was given. It is only shown on paper. And whenever they go, even Mr. Tamasani was speaking, sir. He was talking about farmers. In his very meeting, they have protested. And he said, I will get you arrested if you raise your voice. This is what has happened, sir. Sir, they are not bothered about the farmers of this state. They are not bothered about the farmers.
Please.
Not 1 rupee. Sir, we demand that. We demand, Vysar Congress Party demands that give a specific date when you are going to hand over the plots to the farmers. When are you going to deliver the other benefits to the farmers? We want this incorporated in the bill. Just the name Amaravati is not enough, sir. We want the benefits to the farmers. We want the plots in a particular date and particular timeline. When are you going to give these plots to the farmers? That should be incorporated in the bill. Otherwise, there is no meaning to this bill, sir.